Hello and welcome to the Jumper Judge dashboard video on how to set up the interface with the Farmtek timers. First thing you'll want to do is go to your settings dialog. Make sure you are setting the timer mode for Get Time from Farmtek. With that checkbox checked, back on the specs panel, click Start Farmtek Reader. This will start a separate application where you can connect to your Farmtek timer. This does require you purchase the cable from Farmtek, and you have that cable plugged into the output port on the timer into a USB port on your computer. Click Connect, and you can quickly test that the interface is working. Just hit the Start and Stop button on the timer, and you should see data flow into this application. Go ahead and minimize the application now, and now when you're judging, you should see a green square right here by the first round time, indicating that the interface to the timer is working correctly. So let's go ahead and put an entry in here. We'll go and start the timer. I'm going to let that run a while. Alright, I've let the timer run a while. I'm now going to hit stop on the timer, simulating that the beam break has happened at the finishing eyes. Timer reads 67.069. As you can see here, the time came in and was entered for you in Jumper Judge dashboard. Now, if this had been a jump-off round, the time would have been entered right here. Something to keep in mind too, you only need to start the Farmtek reader one time, even if you're running multiple cards in Jumper Judge dashboard. If you are running multiple cards, whichever instance of JJD you have running in it currently, that's where the time will come in, so the other instances will ignore it. So this concludes the video on how to interface Jumper Judge dashboard with the Farmtek timers.